One striking innovation of Obonoba Ewuare II since his ascension to the throne is in the area of the administration of justice.
Obonoba also established what is called the open mediation system, where people can come and then discuss matters openly, without individuals saying, okay, I'm the one that is linking you to him, or I know him, and therefore, through me, you can have access to judgment.
Being a forthright king who operates with the principle of equity, balance, and justice, Omonoba Ewuare II introduced a weekly open mediation at the Ewuare Palace ground, thereby giving unhindered equal opportunity to both men and women to personally present their complaints or grievances to the Omonoba for resolutions.
Okay. Madam, where are he?
That upper matter, Opama or Popo, or then another say, and no Kawana. Potoni was here, Upuna, Noga, or do where Utaka, Upiana, or I do your way. Arak Pasayo, no your way. So why are one to me? TV, no queer, what are your name? No, I negare a Connie Udo, no singing, who not take bass on no CIA, and a Buyana, Wagera.
Before now, complaints are dealt with at the Ewuare section of the Royal Palace inner chambers, and by tradition, women are forbidden from entering Ewuare. The decision of Omonoba Ewuare II to adopt an open mediation system where multitude personally bring complaints is a pointer to the fact that the Oba is a gender-sensitive king who believes in femininity.
In order to ensure that people's complaints about things they don't like, about oppression, family injustice, and all such behavior in the society, he decided to form alternative dispute resolution committee under the Right Honorable Justice S.O. Waifu, who retired from the Supreme Court.
On October 12, 2019, the Omonoba inaugurated the Benin Customary Alternative Dispute Resolution Committee, putting in charge seasoned jurists, chiefs, and persons of impeccable character with deep knowledge of culture and tradition to adjudicate and resolve issues.
The palace has considered the issue for quite some time on as to what to do in order to arrest the frustration that our subjects were going through to obtain justice from our palace panel system, which I have since set aside upon our ascension to the throne. Frustrations because of the delay and complaints by many due to unfair conclusions and divisions. The palace has not been happy to observe these developments against our primary mission and vision, driven by our age-old tradition and ethos based on justice, equity, sense of belonging, tolerance, transparency, and accountability. What our people need when disputations are brought to the palace for intervention, resolution, and settlement is very simple. They want justice, which recognizes what our tradition and culture say on the subject matter that brought them. They want public welfare and their happiness protected. They want our tradition and property inheritance system protected from miscreants, as well as the rich and powerful who would want to overrun others and treat them as their conquered vassals. To all such people, the palace will continue to act as a sting in their conscience and protect the weak when they themselves are on the right side of the law and on the right side of God Almighty. In order to achieve these objectives, the palace has thought it wise to establish the Benin Customary Alternative Dispute Resolution Committee.
The Royal Proclamation, which has just been promulgated by His Royal Majesty Omonoba Anedo Uku Akpolokpolo Ewuare II, Oba of Benin, has heralded a new dawn to dispute resolution that has customary touch or implication in all such disputes brought to the palace. His Royal Majesty has now introduced some organized methods of procedure to enhance confidence in the alternative dispute resolution, while at the same time ensuring that it shall be informal, free from legal technicalities, speedy, simple, and open in order to attain an early disposal of disputes with fairness and justice.
Satisfactorily, no matter that has been adjudicated upon by the Omonoba himself or the Benin Customary Alternative Dispute Resolution Committee has gone beyond the palace, which is regarded as a bastion of justice to the people.